I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Slack. Sign in and open Preferences from your profile photo. Once there, go straight to Display because that controls theme options. You don't need to change workspace settings. You should check the app version so theme choices appear consistently across devices. If you're on the desktop app, use View Toggle Full Screen only if needed. Otherwise, stay in Preferences Themes. This gets you to the exact controls to switch modes and customize contrast and sidebar colors. You now pick the dark theme. Under Display, select Dark or High Contrast Dark depending on readability needs. Once selected, adjust sidebar background and message text brightness so contrast suits your eyes. Higher contrast helps in bright rooms and lower contrast reduces glare. Make sure to toggle Use System Theme if you want Slack to follow your operating system's dark mode automatically. Once done, test by viewing messages and threads to confirm text is legible and UI elements aren't obscure. You finish by syncing mobile. On iOS or Android OpenU, go to Preferences, Appearance, and choose Dark so both devices match. After changing settings, restart Slack or toggle Use System Theme off and on to force the update. This solves most lagging theme changes. If the dark mode still fails, update the app, clear the app cache, or reinstall Slack. That resolves corrupted theme assets. One key troubleshooting tip. Verify your OS isn't enforcing high contrast that overrides Slack's appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.